Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's alt text to full video generator. Log in with your account first. Here, you can choose to generate scripts with AI or use your existing scripts. With the Generate Scripts with AI mode, describe the video you want to generate. If you don't know how to describe better, select one sample below, and fill in the content according to the instructions. Click Generate. A few seconds later, you'll get a script with high quality. You can re-edit the content, delete the scenes you don't need, or add more scenes and content. Click Next. Here, you can choose to generate the video with AI-generated images or the stock library. If you choose AI image, you will get a much more proper result, and you can choose the image style. Next, select the ratio of the video. If you want to generate AI voice and subtitles, you can also adjust the settings, including the language, voice style, etc. Finally, click Generate. A few minutes later, you'll get a stunning AI video. If you choose to use existing scripts, you can directly enter or paste your scripts here, and the following steps are the same as the first mode. On the editing page, you can modify the video content and make it perfect. Once finished, click the export button and save this video to your desktop. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.